Hey there, Boots Owen here. I've got a Miele Honeycomb Care W3748. It's a washing machine. I'm going to have a look at how to clean the filter today. Down here on the bottom is this little door. To open that door, you open this drawer. You go around the back there and there's this yellow thing and you hook it out, if you can. It should just clip out. That's there. It goes in here, pops that open. You could use a butter knife, screwdriver or anything else, but Miele's trying to be helpful, I think. Just in case, that's the door emergency release there. If your door is locked and there's no power or it won't open, pull that down. Now, water's going to come out of here because there should be water in here. If water's coming out, it's going somewhere. You can use this as a little diverter onto a tray or something, and it's good because it's up a few inches off the ground, which makes it easier to get it into a tray. Other washing machines, it tends to be a lot lower, but open it, water's going to come out, so it's got to go somewhere, so be ready. I'm outside, so it doesn't matter. This is the filter plug. It's not really a filter, it's more of a coin trap or something like that. But if your machine's not draining, opening this, and if there's anything in it, it should get it out. In this case it's clear, but I'm clearing it out so we can move it. There's the impeller blade in the back. That's where the water comes in from the drum, goes in through the filter, or through the impeller, gets pushed out, up through the hose out the back. Very simple design. This one, I think, if you open it a little bit of the way, it lets the water pass this lip into this chute. So you can open it a little bit and really restrict the amount of water coming out in case you want to mop it up with a towel as you go or something like that. But to finish, squeeze it up good and tight. Close this. You might want to dry it first. It's a bit dirty, but I'm outdoors. Take this fellow, put it back in here. Click, it has a little hook to hold it in, and that's you. It should work again. Could be other issues with your machine, but that's how you drain the filter. Questions or comments, leave them below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can join the channel now to become a member if you want to see some of these videos. I think all of them before they come out on the main channel. Members will get to see them first. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.